Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Manideepa here. So today's video is all about a huge unboxing. So I ordered so much stuff from Flipkart and Messo, all for my room makeover. At the back you can see all the products are assembled here. Let's get into it and see what I got, and I'm so excited to share this with you. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So the first product is this one. So let's see what's inside. So the first product, I got this set of 3 pink aesthetic white photo frames. This looks so Pinteresty. I exactly wanting this kind of photo frames for my room. So this is the next one. It's a butterfly. It looks so pretty. Just love the color, is literally so perfect. This looks so Pinteresty. I just love the vibe of this pink and white photo frame. So moving on to next product. I have no idea what's inside, so let's unbox it. So this is the makeup organizer, very pretty in white color. This looks so pretty. The size is perfect with boxes here. 2 boxes where I can keep my jewelry. Next product, I got this artificial money plant. So guys, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So moving on to next product, a warm white LED string light. So this is the LED white light string light. It's 12 meter long and in yellow color. So next up, I got this stylish stool. Wanted this stool in white color, which will make my space look good. I also got 4 stand with it. It's pretty good. Just loving the vibe of this stool. So next up, I got this rice water toner. So guys, it's the last product but not the least. So let's unbox it. It's so big. So another box inside. This is nice. I got this golden metal floor lamp. So this is the light, and so this is the upper part. Love the color. So here are the stand. Let's try to fix it. I really have no idea how to fix it. not understanding how to do this. I'm confused. I think I need to return this one and I have to order a new one. So there is something defect in this lamp. So yeah, that's everything I ordered. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more such videos. So I have linked everything in the description. Go check out, and in the next video I will show you the full room makeover. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, guys.